Hey guys, this is Maryam from Crochet Earphones and today we want to learn how to crochet this earphone case. I use 3 colors of yarns, yellow, white, you can use light green or dark green, whatever you want. 3.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, and scissors. Let's get started! To begin, make a magic ring with yellow. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, I taught you in how to make a perfect circle video. I put the link in the description box. Okay, now make 12 double crochets inside the ring. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. This is the first double crochet and add 11 more double crochets. Pull this short tail. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make it in that second chain. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is the end of row 1. Row 2, grab your white and insert your hook into any of the stitches that you want. Grab the yarn and pull it through. Then chain 1 to secure. Make 3 double crochets into the same stitch. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Add 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. So we have 3 double crochets in total. Pull this loop, pull up this loop, and insert your hook into the first stitch. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Insert it into that second chain. Take this loop and pull it through like this. Chain 2. Make 3 double crochets into every stitch, like the same way I taught you. 1, 2, 3. Pull up this loop and insert your hook into the first double crochet. Take this loop and pull it through. Chain 2. Make 3 double crochets into the next stitch and repeat this process to the end. And don't forget that we need 2 of these motifs. At the end of the row, when you chain 2, make a slip stitch to the first puff stitch. Since there's a bigger gap than others, I want to make 1 chain instead of 2. Sorry. I make 1 chain instead of 2. I make 1 chain instead of 2. So chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the first puff stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 2. Row 3, we should work with green or any colors that you want. I want to work with my dark green. Insert your hook into any of the chain 2 spaces that you want. Grab the yarn, pull it through, chain 1 to secure, and make 3 double crochets into the same stitch. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Add 2 more double crochets into the same chain 2 space. Into the next chain 2 space, make 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 3 more double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. 1, 2, and 3. 3 double crochets into the next chain two space. 1, 2, 3. Into the next chain 2 space, make 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. 3, chain 2, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Into the next chain 2 space, 3 double crochets, into the next chain 2 space. 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and repeat the process to the end. We're shaping a square. At the end of the row, when you chain 2, when you made 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, then chain 2, and into the last chain 2 space, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make it in that second chain. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn, and we should make 2 of these. As you can see, we shaped a square. So make 2 of these and hide the tails at the back of your project back and forth. For the next step, grab your yarn, insert a hook into this chain 2 space. Take this yarn and pull it through. And chain 1 to secure. And make 1 half double crochet into the same space. My first half double crochet is a single crochet plus 1 chain. And into every stitch, make 1 half double crochet. We should have 14 half double crochets at the end. We only work this side, not these other 3 sides. And into the last chain 2 space, make 1 half double crochet, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. We should have 2 of these. This is the finished one, as you can see, and I'll be back. we worked the last 2 stitches and connected them together, we should make 1 slip stitch into every stitch all across this side. And don't forget that we want to keep this side open. Okay, let's make 1 slip stitch into every stitch all across this side. I wove in all ends. Now we want to make a strand for around it. Make a knot and chain 60.